I'm always worried that authors are making some bad decisions when it comes to money. And I just wanted to kind of point out some of the three big ones, some of the three big mistakes that I see, just in case you are about to make them or so that you can correct them. So, first and foremost, I see a lot of authors really try to use a set it and forget it mindset, which would be wonderful if it was possible. But there are a lot of ad platforms like BookBub and Facebook that if you just kind of leave them running, they'll be happy to spend a whole lot of money. And even Amazon, if you accidentally have a higher bid on your ads, it's going to spend a decent amount of change. I also see readers, when they're calculating whether or not an ad is successful, or writers rather, when I see writers trying to calculate if an ad has been successful, they forget to look at things like people going on to buy book 2 or going on to buy book 3. They forget about calculating the read through, and that can be a problem because if you're break even on book 1, you might think that it's worth turning off the ad, but in actuality, people are going to go on and buy the other books in the series. So you're going to make a slight profit there. And then lastly, people just look at the wrong places. The Amazon ad dashboard is terrible at tracking sales. So if you look there for where your sales from the ads came from, you are going to be sunk, because really you need to look at your KDP dashboard or your KDP beta dashboard for your earnings, and then look at the ad dashboard just for ad spend and clicks. I hope you found those helpful.